Hi, good morning and assalamu alaikum, my social media friends. Let's talk about the Pakistan. Let's think about Pakistan. For our Pakistan, lots of our enemies, they're attacking on Pakistan in different ways. Money speaking, somewhere something else speaking, but everything against the Pakistan speaking, against the Pakistan nation, Pakistan law enforcement agencies, and anything belong to Pakistan. They're against, they're attacking on every single thing. I bring one clip. I just gonna show you the clip. Just watch carefully and listen carefully. How money speaking, what she's saying. Just listen carefully. We will talk about that in between this clip.
I am Mahrang Balloch. Now I am addressing all of you from Islamabad, Pakistan. I hope you are in any part of the world at this time, and if you are a humanitarian person, then you will listen to our voices and you will raise your voice against the Baloch genocide and help us. Baloch genocide has been going on for decades in Balochistan, in which thousands of our elders, youth, children and women have forcibly disappeared. Our people are being extrajudicially killed and our people are being forcibly displaced from their hometowns. Military operations are being carried out in our areas, our resources are being looted, and this genocide of our nation is intensifying day by day. Against this severe Baloch genocide, we held a peaceful sit-in for 13 days in Turbat, Balochistan, and after 13 days we started a peaceful long march which started from Turbat and traveled hundreds of kilometers to Islamabad, has reached the capital of Pakistan. Today is the 32nd day of our mass movement against the Baloch genocide. But in this whole mass movement, from sit-in to the long march all over Balochistan, the state has used extreme force to stop and end this movement. False FIRs were registered against our people, our friends were subjugated to physical violence and friends were arrested, and when we were faced all of these violence and conspiracies, and when we reached Islamabad, then we were stopped from going on to the Islamabad Press Club, and after being stopped for 3 to 4 hours, the Islamabad police started torturing us. We were accompanied by small children, women, elderly and young people. All of them were subjugated to severe torture. Water cannons and tear gas were used on us during the night in extreme cold, injuring many of our innocent children, women, elderly and youth. And after we were all arrested, there were about 18 women and children and more than 200 were of our youth. After releasing the women and children last night, an attempt was made to evacuate them from Islamabad forcefully. But we resisted for 7 to 8 hours and then we were released. Still, more than 100 of our friends are in custody of Islamabad police and are not being produced in court, while 14 of our friends have forcibly disappeared and we are being given no information about them, nor are we getting any information about them. We need help from all of the world right now. You as a human being can stop the genocide of a nation by helping us. If you want another Holocaust not to happen, then you have.
Okay, my friends, have you heard all the toxic statements from her? Everything she's speaking, she providing her services, where she get the money. And she bring lots of people and she's sitting here and she's screaming, shouting, swearing to our law enforcement agencies. And everyone who's managing the city over there. She attacking, she's shouting always, and she's doing whatever she like. And she's speaking from Islamabad, capital of Pakistan, front of the press club. And she's standing there, she's enjoying full of democracy. And she's speaking to the world in English. And same time she's saying, she making, false propaganda, false statements against Pakistan. If she's saying everything truth, if everything is truth, is she talking truth? So how she's standing in the capital and addressing to the world? She always in the capital of Pakistan, she always in front of the international media, They're not watching. They're not doing anything. She completely lying. It is all bullshit. Believe me, she's shameless. Shameless. Can you imagine? She's standing in capital of Pakistan and she draw a map which is completely false. And same place she's standing on same place, capital, she put blame. They're doing this and that. They're doing, she using, the name genocide, Holocaust. Those names she's using. And, the true story. Would you like to see the true story? She's supporting and their organizations, you can say terrorist organizations. They're supporting her and she's supporting them. She never criticized them. Lots of TV anchors, they ask her, can you criticize them? She never. And, everything she's saying about Pakistan, those terrorist organizations doing with the Pakistan. Balochistan is not a different country. Balochistan is a Pakistan's province. So many complaints everywhere in the world, every part of the world, there is so many complaints against, each other. Everyone discussing, but this is not the way to discuss. This is not the way to talk to the other people. This is not the way to like anything. What's she doing over there? Why? Why isn't now? There's lots of questions. She never gives a single answer to anyone. She always put questions against other people. No, she's speaking. Believe me, is a shameless thing she's talking. Those things is she talking, and everything just front of you. She's standing in the Pakistan, in the capital of Pakistan, in front of all media, and she's still lying. Where's the international media? Where's the Pakistani media? They're all watching. She can address, but she can't show even single clip, which she blaming now. That's not the way. That doesn't work like that. You hold the photos. We don't know whose photos. Maybe you bring those people's photo who they're attacking on Pakistan every day. They're killing over soldier. They're killing over innocent other preference people. You're killing so many Punjabis. You can't deny. You can't say this bullshit. You can't change our way to the world and show different way which you would like to show them. That's not the way. Think about Pakistan. If you are Pakistani, but you're not Pakistani, you are against your enemy of Pakistan. You are providing service against some money. That's it. Okay, my friends. Please pray for me. I will pray for you. We will see each other, inshallah, in any program. Kindly subscribe my channel, like my channel, and share my channel. Allah Hafiz.